this video we will learn about some instruments of air, weather, rain and temperature, so let's start the video. Barometer measures air pressure. A barometer measures the pressure of the air. When air pressure changes, the needle inside the barometer moves. High pressure usually means fair weather, while low pressure often means rain or storms. 2. Anemometer measures wind speed. An anemometer has cups attached to arms. When the wind blows, the cups spin. The faster the cups spin, the stronger the wind. 3. Rain gauge measures rainfall. A rain gauge is a container that collects rainwater. The water level is measured using markings on the side. It tells us how much rain has fallen. 4. Thermometer measures temperature. A thermometer contains a special liquid, such as alcohol or mercury in traditional models. When it gets hotter, the liquid rises. When it gets colder, the liquid falls. It shows the air temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Conclusion. These 4 weather instruments help scientists measure air pressure, wind speed, rainfall, and temperature. Together, they make weather forecasting more accurate. This was today's video, and tell me how you look like and you want more improvement or want any topic, write in comments. Till then, goodbye.